Good morning everyone, and welcome to the May 2025 update at Moongate Antigua. Standing on top of the kitchen, which is going to be the chef's garden. So there'll be a checkerboard of raised beds, pavements and grass up here, and chef will grow his small herbs and salads for the kitchens and for the various restaurants and cafes on site. During the last month of May, we have finished casting the footings of the main restaurant and terraces, and now we are concluding the steelwork and the formwork, which will allow us in June to cast the floors and start erecting the timber frame building that will house the restaurant, the bar and the bandstand. Also in the month of May, we cast the footings and floor slab of the spa, and we begin and continue with block laying in preparation for the construction of the flat roof, which will have an additional garden for more growing by chef and the landscapers for use on property. The last of the containers of loose furniture has arrived. All the equipment for the gymnasium and indeed the piano for the jazz bar has now arrived as well. So until next month everyone, thank you for tuning in again. Looking forward to seeing you in June. Until then everyone, stay well, stay safe.